baby's still peeing. You're being naughty. She's way over there, the little princess. They're grooming themselves. It's kind of funny to see them growing up. She's the cutest one ever. Hi, baby kitty. Meow.
What's he doing? What you want? What you want with me? You better stop it.
Meow. I think they just started to be able to see, huh?
Well, we know they can see because look at it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it took them a while. Their eyes aren't all the way dark anymore. Oh, snap! Whoa! Put her back.
Take it the other What are you doing?
She's hungry. What's he doing, troublemaker? Look at him. Or her. Just, hey, you better not mess with me. I will get you. He's so cute.
Aww.
What you doing, baby? This is my baby right here. Yeah.
Oh, she's mine.
That's Big Mama right there. That's Big Mama. There's little angel. Meow. Meow. That's Big Mama. She wasn't the biggest one last. She's the biggest now.
He's biting me.
Don't let him bite you.
Why is
That's a bad kitty.
Why?
Your baby's being bad.
What are you doing? Don't lay on the baby.
You know that she doesn't squish him. Oh, Mama's back. Better go get her some more food.
She's not gonna be hungry.
She's gonna eat the rest of it. Just get her more so she has enough for the night, okay? Mama, stop putting your hands in my face. Stop it, Mom. Stop it.